Samsung is updating Galaxy S9 with Android Pie right now. Samsung is at last rolling out Android Pie updates over the air for the Galaxy S9 and Note 9. This includes One UI, which is Samsung's next-generation user interface. One UI brings a swath of features you won't find in the stock installation of Pie, including system-wide dark mode and a layout designed to make large screens more manageable and useful. If you have a Galaxy S9 or Note 9, and you're curious if the update might be available to you, you can check manually. Go to Settings, select Software Update, and select Download Updates manually to find out if you can update now. This is a pretty big change to take in, but mostly a good one. Here's what you can expect when it arrives on your phone. The icons are different. Along with this new visual clarity across the interface, Samsung applied perhaps the most radical changes to the iconography. All of the icons have swung well into the minimalist mindset, dramatically flattening out and simplifying every system app's look on the home screen. On the whole, it actually pretty closely follows Google's material design language, using simple layers and bold contrasting colors to make apps visible at a glance. Everything is easier to reach. As you've noticed, phones are huge now. Screen sizes are getting larger, and aspect ratios are getting taller. Samsung was one of the pioneers of the big tall display movement, and One UI acknowledges that it's really tough to reach the top of the screen on its phones. In an effort to alleviate some of the thumb-stretching frustration, a lot of the interface elements have shifted to the bottom two-thirds of the display. Dark mode. Samsung now includes a system-level dark theme, which is a joyous occasion for many of us. It's under the heading of night mode, and is ostensibly designed to be easier on your eyes at night, as you can set it to only turn on from sunset to sunrise, but you can also force it to be on 100% of the time. There are new gesture navigation options. Samsung is using the Pie release to enable new navigation gestures, but it isn't really doing anything special here. By default, you get the standard set of back-home recent keys, and they all work the same as before. The buttons have a new look, and the recent apps view has gone to a Pie-style horizontal scrolling list, but you can still long press the recent key to launch multi-window. You also get the quick swipe gesture, pulling right on the home button, to quickly switch between apps or scroll through the multitasking interface, all without giving up the standard button arrangement. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to hit the like button below the video, and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, then click subscribe and join us.